Submerge. A truth revealed. Submerge, the manipulator of water, lives in the peaceful state of Alaska, watching over the Bering Sea, making sure all the seamen are safe on their crab boats. Using his speed swimming, he can cover all the 7 oceans, preventing drownings and sinking ships. He makes sure that there's no oil spills from the oil rigs. When a tsunami or tidal wave approaches shore, he contains it and merges the wave back with the ocean. He's a savior of the seas. He resides in Alaska with his best friends Frank and Justin. They assist him on land when there are fires. With Justin's intelligence, he invents tools to assist them. In their matching uniforms, he adds a gadget that fits in the palm of their hands. This device shoots out like a fire extinguisher, but it's more powerful and lasts 20 times longer. Their uniforms are fireproof, with the only notable difference in their uniforms are the eye shades. Justin's is red while Frank's is white. He also created robot braces in the entire suit. This allows them strength like Captain America. They can jump higher, run faster, and hit harder. It also allows them to take hits harder and get back up. On this day, though, they both won't be getting up that fast. For you see, Voltage decides to show his face after breaking out of prison. And he's out for vengeance. Frank is flying the helicopter over the Bering Sea. Justin as the crane operator and Zael as a swimmer make the perfect team. This is how they used to do things. But now that Zael has powers, he secretly uses it to rescue people. If they think he's submerged, he uses his powers to make it look like someone's in the water swimming away from them fast. A crab boat is hailing a mayday call. Frank, Justin, and Zael are on their way to the scene. The sky is blue and free of clouds. The waves are massive. But what's new with the Bering Sea? Frank sees the crab boat ahead. There's a giant hole in the hull. You guys need to see this. Justin and Zael look out and see blast marks. Voltage. We can't have him knowing who you are. Get out now before we get any closer. Zael nods. He jumps out of the helicopter into the water without a splash. We're going down, aren't we? Always with optimism. Their helicopter's right above the crab boat. Justin goes through the motions of setting up the crane to throw off any suspicion. He latches the cage, then the helicopter jerks to the right. The sky goes dark, full of gray clouds. Justin barely grabs on. He sees a lightning bolt fly past him. Voltage is standing on the boat's deck, laughing. This is who they send me? Coast Guards? They'll need a lot more help than that. He charges up a lightning bolt. He throws it. But Zael, as Submerge, jumps out of the water. He uses the water ball to absorb the lightning and throws it back at Voltage. Voltage crashes to the deck hard. He looks up and grins. That's more like it. He creates a lightning bow and arrows. He starts shooting them at Submerge. When he misses, he aims and fires at the helicopter. Submerge jumps and tries to absorb it, but is too powerful. It goes right through the water ball and hits the tail of the helicopter. Save the fishermen. Always putting people first. Just like him. Justin pats Frank's shoulder and jumps into the sea. Frank climbs out of the pilot's seat and jumps out after Justin. Submerge dives into the sea. He blasts another hole in the hull and climbs in. He sees the whole crew tied up. He unties them and tells them to hold their breath and hold on tight. He swims them back to land. Voltage grabs Justin by the throat and hovers him in the air. Justin grabs him by the head and pushes him. Voltage shocks him. I can't kill you yet. I need Submerge to witness it. Show him that he can't save everyone. You won't break him. He doesn't even know me. It doesn't matter. He cares for all innocence. That's his weakness. And what's yours? I don't have any. I care for myself and only myself. You sound like you need some friends. Don't worry about that, hero. I have some pretty powerful friends. Justin's confused. How could he have friends? He's a rich villain that destroyed his own family to inherit the money. When he was caught, that's when he took on the villain role to destroy his town who turned their back on him. He claims he wanted to save his city, but his family was too weak to see that. Voltage unleashes a giant lightning bolt from his chest, hitting Justin and sending him through the air. He splashes into the water as a wave knocks him under. Frank swims toward him, but Voltage shoots his lightning arrow at him. An arrow hits Frank. Splendid. Submerge creates a water spout under him to lift him in the air. He sees Frank and Justin sinking. Voltage continues to shoot arrows at Submerge. He raises his arms, creating a giant wave on both sides of Voltage. The waves crash down on Voltage before he can escape. Submerge swims to Frank and then to Justin. He takes them back to shore, making sure they're still breathing. Voltage surprise attacks Submerge on land, taking him out of his element. Luckily, he can create water from the air. Submerge dodges every attack. The citizens are standing around watching. Using that to his advantage, Voltage destroys buildings, cars, and the surrounding area, leaving them vulnerable. Frank and Justin wake up. They see the destruction and run into the closest building. Your move, fish boy. He water jumps in the air and splashes water down from the fire. But there's too much. While in the air, Voltage lightning jumps, tackling him out. They crash on the ground hard. Submerge looks up to see more debris falling towards people. He reaches out to them, but Voltage kicks him in the ribs. The debris is upon one Frank, in his uniform and mask, jumps in, catching it. He moves a large wooden piece out of the way. Justin jumps into action, using his invention to stop the fires. The mini fire extinguisher in his palms gets the job done. They both look around and nod at Submerge. He smiles and catches Voltage's foot. Surprised and caught off guard, Voltage is knocked to the ground. Submerge rolls to his feet and encases Voltage in water. He grins and lightning shoots out of his body in every direction. After freeing himself from the water cage, Voltage hovers in the air. He shoots lightning arrows at Frank, Justin, and everyone else in the street. One arrow is about to hit an innocent lady when Justin, in his uniform and goggles, jumps in front of it. He is sent flying into a building, knocking him out. No! Sorry, I don't think your Hydro Boy's getting up from that. My team is stronger than that, Voltage. You wait and see. He closes his eyes, but the blue glow in his eyes can be seen through his goggles. Frank sees the water in the ocean rising. He charges at Volt, spraying him with the fire extinguisher fluid all around him. Voltage can't see a thing. Submerge raises his hands up on land. Voltage can finally see. He shoots an arrow at Frank, hitting him, sending him back. Then he sees the tidal wave upon him. It crashes down into him. Voltage is swirling around the water. He doesn't know which way is up from down. When he slowly stops moving, Submerge stops and sends the water back into the ocean. He hurries over to Voltage and checks his pulse. He doesn't feel one. He uses his powers to take the water out of his lungs. Voltage coughs and then rolls over, spitting more water out of his lungs. You couldn't kill me, hero. That's why you're going to lose. If not the battle, you'll lose the ones closest to you. Submerge puts on meta-dampening cuffs. Voltage is laughing. Submerge looks over to Frank, helping Justin out of the rubble to his feet. He sees the destruction everywhere. You will have to choose, hero. If you don't permanently stop me, one of them will lose their life. Are you ready to accept that? You're wrong. We'll always have each other's back and protect one another. All for one and one for all. You do remember what happened to the Three Musketeers, right? They all died. The FBI shows up and takes Voltage. The whole time he's grinning and laughing. They put him inside an armored van. Something powerful is coming. We will meet again. Soon, fish boy. Soon. So be prepared. An FBI agent slams a door on him. Submerge rejoins Frank and Justin when their cheering breaks out from the crowd. They smile and wave at him. Submerge creates a thick mist in the area, making it foggy. When the mist dissipates, they vanish. The end. Or is it?